my beautiful people, and welcome to day 6 of our total body burn challenge. All right, we got an awesome shredded core workout for you today. Let's get into it. First up, we have a torso twist. You can keep your hands in front of you like this, or like me, I'm going to do an open palm torso twist today. All right, your lower body stays nice and firm and straight forward, and just your upper body, your torso moves side to side. All right, chin is up. All right, shoulders are pushed away from your ears. Very good. Breathing. Nice little bend in your knees. All right, that's gonna help stabilize you and keep your legs and your hips still. Very good. And 3, 2, 1, and release. Very good. Next, we have a slow front leg lift. All right, hands on your hips or out here or up here, whatever you want. And then we're gonna go slow. All right, you can hold on to something if that helps you balance a chair or a wall, and bring it down, and then other side. All right, very good. Nice flex foot. Holding it a little bit when we reach as high as we can. Very good. You're really gonna feel the burn in those thighs. Doing great. All right, last one. And 3, 2, 1, coming down. Very good. Next, we have an oblique crunch. So 30 seconds one way. An oblique crunch reach. So reaching one down to the floor, one up to the sky. All right. I'm going to reach down to the sky and keep that arm up. All right. Very good. Nice straight back. So avoid coming back like this. All right. Boom. Lock it in. Close that rib cage. Very good. If you need to lean forward a little bit more to avoid that arch, that's okay as well, right? We really just want to protect your spine. And 3, 2, 1, and switch. Very good. Reaching to the floor and then kind of reaching up when we come back up. All right, so you're kind of pulling up and pulling down all at the same time. I know it doesn't make sense, but it just feels like they have a long string from the point of one finger all the way down to the other one. It's all attached. Nice strong core. Don't forget about that tummy. Boom, lock it in. Very good. Breathing. And 3, 2, 1, and coming back down. Very good. Next, we have a squat hold prayer twist. This one's fun. I'm going to give you different variations. So going into squat position, prayer. All right. So you're going to hold this squat. All right. And you're going to twist. All right. So elbow goes to opposite knee. Boom, boom, boom. If this is for too much for you today, try just holding that squat. All right. Or you can just break it down. You go squat, twist, twist, and then come up and then repeat. All right. Or go ahead, challenge yourself, hold that squat, and boom, boom, boom. Bunch of different variations there for you. And 3, 2, 1, center, and up. Very good. Set 1, done and dusted. Big breath. Right into set 2, starting with our torso twist. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Shake it out. Slow front leg lift. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, and down. Very good. Oblique crunch. reach. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, and switch. And 3, 2, 1, squat, hold, prayer, twist. Let's get it. Ten more seconds. Come on, you got this. And 3, 2, 1, center, up. Very good. 2 sets done and dusted. 1 more to go. Big breath. Starting with our torso twist. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Shake it out. Slow front leg lift. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, and down. Very good. Oblique crunch, reach. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, and switch. And 3, 2, 1, squat, hold, prayer, twist. Let's get it. Ten more seconds. Come on, you got this. And 3, 2, 1, center, up. And there we have it, 3 sets of our day 6 shredded core workout. I hope you loved it. Let me know in the comments below what you thought. I tried some new moves out, so let me know if you spotted which ones, and I hope to see you tomorrow, day 7 with Coach Greg. Be there, you got this.